Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn fats and proteins. In our previous video, what we learned? We learned about nutrients, carbohydrates, right? What is the meaning of nutrients? The substance present in a food that our body needs to grow, live, right, to stay healthy is called nutrients. The substance present in our food to grow, to live, and to stay healthy, to stay fit are called nutrients. There are five main nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Apart from these five nutrients, we are having one more. What do you call that one? Water and roughages, right? Water and roughages. Today we are in our previous video we learned about carbohydrates also. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Carbohydrates are energy giving food and they provide instant energy. Okay, what are the sources of carbohydrates? Chapati, rice, bread, potato, and all kinds of sweets. And fruits like mangoes, bananas are also very good source of carbohydrates. We learned. Now today we are learning fats and proteins. Fats are also called energy giving foods. Okay, carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. Fats are also called energy giving food. What is the difference between fats and carbohydrates? We learn now. Okay. Fats are also called energy giving food. Okay. They provide more energy than the same amount of carbohydrate. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. However, they do not provide instant energy. They provide more energy than the carbohydrates. More energy than the same amount of carbohydrates. Okay, however, they do not provide instant energy. So here we will say what they are saying, they provide more energy than the same amount of carbohydrates, but they do not provide instant energy. However, they do not provide instant energy. However, they do not provide instant energy. The energy from fats gets stored in the why they are not providing instant energy means the energy from fats gets stored in the body and can be used later whenever our body require. What will happen if we eat food items which contain fat? The food item, if we will eat, the food is stored in the body. The fat which contains in the food, it's stored in the body and can be used later whenever our body requires. Okay, the energy from fats gets stored in the body and can be used later whenever our body requires. Whenever our body requires. Okay, so that's why fats will not provide instant energy. Anyhow, fats are also called energy giving food whenever our body requires. Fats are also added flavors and textures to our food and helps the body to stay warm. See, fats, if you're adding fats, it will add texture to our food. Now, like if we'll add more fat, more butter in our food, like if you're cooking biryani and all, if you'll add more oil, more fats to that, it will give a good taste, right? If you are keeping some small amount of oil, minimum not, if you're not keeping minimum amount, if you're keeping small amount of oil, small amount of fat in biryani, it will not, we will not get that much taste, right? So fats will provide, also add flavors and textures to our food and helps the body to stay warm. If we will eat the fats food items, we will keep they'll help the body to stay warm. Okay. Fats are also add flavors and textures, taste, okay, to our food and helps the body to stay warm. Okay. However, we should not eat too much fat. If we will eat too much fat, what will happen? We will get fat. Okay, we will become fat, right? So, however, we should not eat too much fat because it can make us obese. Obese means we'll become fat, will become obesity will come, right? मोटे हो जाएंगे अब ज़्यादा fat खाए तो. So that's why we should not eat too much fat. Minimum amount of quantity we should eat. The various sources of fats are butter, ghee, oil. Sources of fats: butter, ghee, cheese, oil, and if you are eating too much nuts also, we will get fat from the nuts. Okay. Next we will see proteins. Proteins are called the body building food. Carbohydrates are called energy giving food. They provide instant energy. Fats are also called energy giving food, but they do not provide instant energy. Proteins are called body building food. What do you call proteins? Proteins are called body building food. Proteins are called body building food. Okay. They help in the growth of the body by making muscles and blood. If we will eat food item which contain proteins, they help our body to our muscles and to grow. Okay. What? They help in the growth of the body. Proteins helps in the growth of the body by making muscles and blood. By making muscles or by making blood as well. Okay. If you will eat protein food item which contain proteins, from that our muscles will get grow and will get blood also. They also helps in repairing damaged cells of our body. One more thing, one function, if you will eat protein food item, they helps in repairing damaged cells. Okay. of our body. They also helps in repairing damaged cells of our body. The various sources of proteins are milk, pulses, nuts, meat, chicken, egg and fish. Okay. Sources of proteins are milk, egg, pulses. Okay, milk, egg, pulses, chicken, egg, fish, meat, nuts, chicken, fish, meat, etc. Okay, so eat the food items which contains proteins because it will help your body to grow, and you can make the muscles, especially boys want to build muscle, what we can say, six packs, gym. Instead of going gym, if you are eating proteins food items, then you will muscles will grow. Okay, will get we can say good muscles. Okay, and then they helps in repairing damaged cells of our body, especially the person who are not having blood. The doctor suggests to eat drink egg milk, drink milk, eat egg and all, right? Similarly here also, so when you are reading the chapter food and health, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral, apply in your day-to-day life as well. Eat the food items which is necessary and which is good for your health. Avoid junk food. Okay, now we will recall what we learned. Fats and proteins we learned today. Fats are also called energy giving food. Why I wrote also called means carbohydrates are called energy giving food, but they will give instant energy. Carbohydrates give instant energy. Fats will not provide instant energy. They provide more energy than the same amount of carbohydrate, but they do not provide instant energy. The energy from fat, what will happen if you will eat food item which contain carbohydrates? Suppose glucose or glucon-D, if you will drink, we will get instant energy at the moment, same moment we will get the energy. But here in fats, what will happen? The energy from fats gets stored in the body and can be used later whenever our body requires. They will not give instant energy. Same time, they will not give the energy. Fats also add flavors and textures to our food and helps the body to stay warm. One more thing, if we will eat food items, if too much fat, morning also fat, like butter, chapati, afternoon also ghee chapati, evening also cheese with rice, ghee with rice. If we are eating daily fat, food items which contain fat will become fat. If you are eating food items which contain more amount of fat, will also become fat. So try to avoid eating fats too much because it leads to obesity. Okay, मोटे हो जाते हैं आप फिर. Sources of fats are butter, घी, cheese, oil and nuts also. Excess of eating nuts. ज़्यादा अगर आप कुछ एक limited quantity में खाएंगे, that's a well and good. If you are eating too much quantity of fats, you will become fat. Okay, so don't eat too much fat. Next, proteins. Proteins are called body building food. You can build your body. एक ये body building food है जिससे आपकी body बन सकती है अच्छे से. Okay, body building food. Proteins are called body building food. So eat the food items which contain protein so that you can build your body. Okay, so that you'll stay healthy and stay fit. They helps in the growth of the body by making muscles and blood. आपकी बॉडी का ग्रोथ करते हैं वो लोग. दे हेल्प्स इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी एंड मेक योर मसल्स as well as make your blood. They helps in repairing damaged cells of our body. If any damaged cell is there in our body, they helps in repairing the damaged cells. Sources of proteins are milk, egg. If we'll drink milk, we'll get proteins. If we will eat egg also, we'll get proteins. If we'll eat pulses also. Some of the students will not eat different pulses. So try to eat each and everything because all the food which your mother is going to make in your home, all are necessary for your health only. So don't say I'll not eat this much, I'll not eat that. So try to eat each and everything, okay, so that you will stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, and you can grow your body as well. Milk, egg, pulses, chicken, fish, meat. Some of the students will not eat chicken, meat they'll not eat. If you will not eat this food, they will not get protein. So try to eat each and everything. Don't say I'll not eat this, I'll not eat that. Milk, egg, pulses, chicken, fish, meat are the sources of protein. I hope you all understood this one, fats and proteins. So try to implement in your day-to-day life and hope you all understood. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.